Marilyn Monroe landmark building right in the heart of downtown Mississauga. This huge 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom higher floor unit offers a 225 square foot wraparound balcony with unobstructed city and lake views. Your high-end finishes include rich oak chestnut hardwood floors, quartz countertops, and upgraded 6 kitchen stainless steel appliances, frameless shower, and European faucets. Enjoy world-class amenities in this absolute world tower with easy access to Square One Shopping Mall, Living Arts Center, Sheridan College, and only about a 20 minutes drive to Pearson International Airport. To learn more, contact Patricia Ping Chui at 416-464-2788.